we'll guide you through how to set up Namecheap WordPress hosting. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Namecheap website and log into your account. Once you're in, hover over the Hosting tab at the top of the page and click on WordPress Hosting from the drop-down menu. You'll see different plans available, so choose the one that best suits your needs and click Add to Cart. Follow the prompts to complete your purchase. After purchasing, go to your Namecheap dashboard. Under Hosting List, you'll find your new WordPress hosting plan. Click on Manage, then look for the WordPress tab and click on it. Here, you can choose to install WordPress if it hasn't been done automatically. Click Install WordPress and follow the on-screen instructions, making sure to select your desired domain. Once the installation is complete, you'll receive a confirmation message. Now, head over to your WordPress site by typing your domain into the browser, and you'll be taken to the WordPress admin login page. Enter the credentials you set during the installation process to log in. Once you're in, you can start customizing your site. Go to Appearance in the WordPress dashboard to select a theme that fits your style. You can also add plugins by going to the Plugins section to enhance your site's functionality. Remember to keep your site updated by regularly checking for updates under the Updates section in your dashboard. Keeping your WordPress site up to date helps in maintaining security and performance. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.